Ensure that the correct cutting nozzle size is selected for the application. Using the correct startup procedure, light the torch on the oxyacetylene set and set the correct flame. The oxyacetylene flame heats the metal at the edge where the cut is to be made. When the edge turns red-hot heat but not yet melting, a stream of pure pressurized oxygen is applied to create a powerful flame. This fine high-pressure stream oxidizes the metal and blows it away to form a kerf. As the flame and oxygen jet is moved along, a cutting kerf is formed. Different size nozzles are used to cut different thicknesses of metal. Once the job is completed, use the correct shutdown procedure when shutting down the oxyacetylene set.